Hello everyone, this is Pravind here and today we are going to create high-speed kinetic typography. So this is the text that we want to include in our kinetic typography, and within just one click we are going to create this high-speed kinetic typography. So for this we are going to take a reference of one of my kinetic typography presentation. So we will open a PowerPoint presentation, press Alt plus F11, right click and then go to insert and select module. We'll copy paste my macro. So in this macro what we are doing is, we are using this high speed kinetic typography file as a reference and then the path where we want to save the presentation. So this macro is going to replace the text that we provide in this highspeed.txt. So what you need to do is just go to run and then your PowerPoint presentation is completed. As you can see, this is our PowerPoint presentation with all the animation copied from my previous presentation. You can use this presentation to create high-speed kinetic typography, advertisement, intros, or any other customized text. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. We'll meet soon in the next video.